So, good morning to all. In our previous class, we discussed the concept called as what ma? Cost sheet, right? Yes. How to draft cost sheet? Why to draft cost sheet? What is the format of cost sheet? We discussed in previous class or earlier class. What is the objective of cost sheet? To achieve primary objective. No, please remember, not only primary objective, you should remember primary objective names: total cost, selling price, profit. Don't forget. Okay, second one, to achieve secondary objective. What is meant by secondary objective? Cost control, cost reduction. Is it clear? Yes. Next, for the purpose of decision making, for the purpose of comparison. Two types: intra-firm comparison, inter-firm comparison. What is the difference between intra-firm comparison and inter-firm comparison? Very simple. Current year data, we are comparing current year data of competitor. Inter-firm comparison. Current year data of our entity, previous year data of our entity we are comparing is called intra-firm comparison. Is it clear? Clear? Excellent. Now, what is the types of cost sheet? Cost sheet, two types: normal cost sheet, projected cost sheet. What is meant by projected cost sheet? Cost sheet is drafted for, don't tell future year, future period. Why? Because for next month I am drafting cost sheet, that is also future period, na? Come on. For next week I am drafting cost sheet, that is also future period. Next day I am drafting cost sheet, that is also future period. Don't tell future year, future period. Okay, it's called what? Projected cost sheet. If cost sheet is drafted for current year or current period, it's called normal cost sheet or cost sheet. Is it clear, my dear? Clear? Excellent. Now, how to draft cost sheet? Direct material, direct labor, direct expense is equal to what? Prime cost plus P or F or M or WOH. Four names will be there. POH means production overhead. FOH means factory overhead. WOH means works overhead. MOH means manufacturing overhead. Correct? Correct, my dear friends. Next, result will be factory cost gross. Factory cost what ma? Gross. Plus opening WAP minus closing WAP. Result will be referred as factory cost net amount. Factory cost what amount? Net amount. Plus AOH. Result will be cost of goods produced. Correct? Plus opening stock of finished good minus closing stock of finished good. Result will be referred as cost of goods sold plus SOH. Result will be referred as cost of sales over total cost plus profit minus loss is equal to sales. Is it clear? Important points you have to remember. What is the first line of cost sheet? Direct material. What is meant by direct material? Direct material means direct material consumed. What is the formula for direct material consumed? Opening stock of raw material plus purchases net amount. Net amount. Sometimes in costing question paper also they will give information relating to purchase returns. In that scenario, purchase minus purchase returns will be referred as purchase net. Correct? Plus direct expense in relation to purchase of raw material minus always value of normal loss minus closing stock of raw material. This equation if you solve, you will get direct material consumed. Direct labor paid plus outstanding minus prepaid. Point number 3, overhead means aggregate of IDM, IDL, IDE. Correct? Correct? Next, what we discuss? Valuation of closing stock, most important element. What we have to check? Check whether question paper specified information relating to units of closing stock. Units of closing stock. Answer no. Valuation of closing stock or value of closing stock rupees is equal to same as question paper. Whatever information given in the question paper we will consider as closing stock value. Is it clear, my dear? If it is yes, yes means question paper specified units of closing stock. Then as per GSEAP, valuation of closing stock is based on, come on, COGP, cost of goods produced. Production units hyphen COGP. Closing stock units hyphen question mark. Therefore, closing stock units divided by production units into COGP. If you apply this formula, it is visible in the screen. Okay, if you apply that formula, you will get closing stock rupees as per costing. Is it clear? Till now we discussed in the earlier class. In today's class, time to focus on problematic portion in relation to cost sheet. In relation to cost sheet. Okay. So now, problems relating to cost sheet. What ma problems relating to cost sheet? See, my dear friend, some are the facts you should admit as a student. Some of the facts you should accept as a student. Okay, towards academic. Towards academic, if you are like or not like my statement, you have to accept. Okay, number one. My dear friend, our discussion will be not only our discussion for entire academic journey. If any problem solved, you can easily recognize this problem relating to cost sheet. If material chapter I will discuss. If any problem solved, which chapter problem? Material. Why? Material chapter only going on, na? Obviously correct. If my cost bookkeeping chapter is going on, our discussion. If any problem solved, what's your assumption? Such problem related to which chapter? CBK. If I solve process costing problem during the journey of process costing chapter, what's your assumption? Obviously such a problem related to current chapter only. That is a main lag of the student. That is a main lag of the student. Okay. Why, sir? I will tell. See, be practically 3 hours 15 minutes is your life. 3 hours examination, 15 minutes question paper reading. If you are know or don't know, I don't know. As per rule given by the board, 15 minutes question paper reading, extra time will be given apart from 3 hours. It means in 15 minutes, they will give question paper without any answer sheet. They will give only question paper. You can read, you can analyze any question. You can decide which question should be attempted. Like that, any strategies is there, please implement. Like that, they will give. After 15 minutes, they will give answer sheet. Whenever answer sheet will be given, at that time will be counted. Such time to 3 hours they will give. Out of 3 hours 15 minutes, your career will be decided. Literally. Clear? Clear? Especially fresher who are first time attempted student, mistaken, are taking more time, or time is more consumed to know this problem related to labor, this problem related to process costing, this problem related to overhead. Why? Our classroom discussion will be, any problem discuss, okay, this chapter, they don't know, man. Don't think this question is related to process. Why? Our chapter is process. If I solve today's class, for example, see, if I solve question number 1, you are not thinking at all. This problem related cost sheet. How you know? Arey yaar, theory is going on cost sheet, na? That is a main mistake. See, while observing the question paper is combination of all chapters. Please remember. Question paper is combination of all chapters, not single chapter. All chapters. In 15 minutes, listen carefully, in 15 minutes, within 2 to 3 minutes, you have to recognize all the questions from which chapter. You should practice. Clear? What I am telling, you are getting? Clear? Classroom discussion problems means related to chapter only. But examination problems means related to all the syllabus. Full syllabus they will give, na? Correct? Question number 2A, labor. Question number 2B, overhead. Just assumption. Okay. Question number 3A, standard costing. If you see the question, you should recognize in fraction of seconds. Fraction of minutes means it's a out of box. If you recognizing the chapter itself, it will take 3 minutes, 5 minutes, then how you solve? Just imagine. What's your life in your examination hall? What's your life? That is the reason I am telling, don't by heart anything, number one. Number two, while solving the problem, how can I know this chapter is related to cost sheet? That is the reason in between I will tell keywords. Please underline. I will tell underline. You should underline. Clear? Such statement indicates chapter name. Is it clear? Clear? Ma clear? So fact number one, question paper is combination of all chapters. Classroom problems will indicate only chapter wise. That lag should be overcome. Number one point. Number two, listen carefully. I saw so many students, especially could not success in CM Inter or CA Inter, as a case may be. See, CM Inter or CA Inter or CS Inter, inter-level students only teacher guidance is more required. Final students less required, in my opinion. It's my opinion only. Why? Because final students means they mature towards their subject. They cleared Inter. At least they have certain knowledge. How to attempt the question paper, what is the value of exam, how my life will be there in 3 hours. If you go to examination hall, 3 hours will evaporate like a 3 minutes. If you go to examination hall, 2 to 5 examination, actually 2 to 5, I am talking about inter-level, not final level. Final level might be morning time. Clear? Huh? I am talking about afternoon class, I mean exam timing towards our inter-level. Afternoon exam, what time? 2. What is the entry time? 1:30. 1:45 question paper will be given. 1:45 to 2, without answer sheet, you have only question paper. Clear? Huh? 2 to 5. 2 to 5 will look like a 3 minutes. If you go to the examination hall, you will realize. Clear? Huh? Invigilator, they will mention last 1 hour. Arey yaar, I attempted 2 problems. So many problems are there. What's my problem? Oh, what's my done? Oh, till now, 2 hours gone. Only 2 problems I did. Remaining so many problems. So much tension and pressure will be coming. That is the reason to overcome such scenario in the examination hall. Please concentrate on the academic journey. Clear? Clear. See, if you interact with your senior, they will give some tips towards your academic journey. Clear? See, listen carefully. Be practical. In our costing, how many chapters are there? You know, roughly 16 or 15, as a case may be. Approximately 16 chapters are there. Be frankly speaking, entire 16 chapters you can prepare. No, I can make choice. During preparation, not examination time. During preparation itself, CBK, I'm not understood, leave. Process costing, I'm not attended, leave. Contract costing, leave. Like that, certain chapters will left. Certain chapters will prepare. Hello? One of the student went to examination hall. In his preparation, contract costing choice. Clear? Clear? I studied listen carefully, studied the entire data, taking 5 minutes time. In last, I realized they will ask you are required to. For example, like this, they will give, see, you are required to. Okay. You are required to prepare contract account ledger, they ask. Oh, it's my choice question, in my preparation. Then why are you wasting your 5 minutes time to analyze this data? It's time waste process. Clear my point? Then what is the overcome point? How to overcome? Whenever reading the question paper, please start with you are required to. What is the expectation of examiner? What is the expectation solution? They will ask cost sheet, contract account ledger, or cost bookkeeping, contract ledger. or ledgers you have to prepare, or trial balance you have to prepare, or calculation of EOQ, or calculation of what is the expectation from the data, you have to remember. On that expectation data, you have to remember the theory. Out of theory, you have to search for the data. Otherwise, question paper data will contain relevant plus non-relevant theory. I mean, relevant data plus non-relevant data will be given. That is called question paper. Every question paper will not give only relevant data. Sometimes they will give irrelevant data for your answer. You have to segregate. Got my point? Clear? Today is our journey start towards problematic. Till now we discussed theory only. What is the point number 1 you have to keep in your mind? While solving any chapter, certain keywords you have to remember towards recognition of such chapter. Number 1. Number 2, whenever starting with the problematic, please read your required. What is the expectation of the examiner? And then memorize the format or formula or any other thing. Okay. And then go for searching the data. Otherwise, you can't predict this data will be useful or not useful. For example, if I read question number 1, I got to know you are required to prepare cost sheet. Don't read data. They are asking cost sheet. Please remember the format. Cost sheet, direct material, direct labor, direct expense, prime cost. Like that going on. What is the first line? Direct material. Please search where is the direct material. It will be easy. Is it clear? Clear? We will solve the question. Now listen ma. MNQ-LLP submits the following information as on when ma 1st March 2022 based on the given data. Prepare. Underline the word statement of cost. Underline the word statement of cost. This word indicates chapter name. Statement of cost means cost sheet they are asking. What they are asking? Cost sheet. It means this word indicates what? Chapter name. That word, this line indicates chapter name. Okay. Listen ma. Sales. How much? 2,75,000. Inventories at beginning. Beginning means what? Opening. Beginning at the year. It means opening stock of finished good, opening stock of, come on, WIP. Next, purchases of the material for the year they gave. Material inventory at what? At beginning, at ending. It means opening stock of raw material, closing stock of raw material. This one, opening stock of finished good, closing stock, opening stock of, come on, work in progress. Correct, my dear? And next, direct labor they gave. Next ma, factory overhead. How much they gave? 60% of the direct labor. Please take the calculator. What is the direct labor? Come on, 65,000 into 60%. 39,000. What is the 39,000? Factory overhead. Are you remember? POH, FOH, MOH, WOH. Any word they can give. Hello. Next ma. Inventories at end. End means, please write closing. It means closing stock of finished good, closing stock of work in progress. Next ma. Underline the word other expense. What is the other expense I gave? Come on. Selling expense. Selling expense means SOH. How much they gave? 10% of sales. What is the sales? 2,75,000. How you know? In first line they gave sales is equal to 2,75,000. It means 2,75,000 into 10%, that is equal to 27,500. 2,75,000 into 5%, 13,750. These are the data. With the help of given data, they are asking. What they are asking? Please prepare statement of cost or cost sheet they are asking. Correct? కరెక్టా మై డియర్? జస్ట్ వెయిట్ మా నానా చిన్నబాబు సార్ అంటారు, ఒకసారి పిలిచిమా. రికార్డింగ్ ఆగిందని చెప్పమా. రికార్డింగ్ ఆగిపోయిందండి సార్, అదే టెక్నికల్ ఇష్యూ అని చెప్పండి మా. మా జస్ట్ 5 minutes, ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్. ఓకే మా లిజన్ మా. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డేటా దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ వాట్ మా? కమ్ ఆన్ మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వాట్ మా? కాస్ట్ షీట్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. వాట్ ఇస్ ద పేజ్ నెంబర్? పేజ్ నెంబర్ 1. కరెక్టా? మా లిజన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ మా? కాస్ట్ షీట్. లిజన్ మా, డోంట్ రైట్, ఐ విల్ గివ్ టైమ్ టు కాపీ. ఓకే, స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ cost sheet for what is the company name my dear? MNQLLP. Okay, what is the first line ma? Come on, direct material, direct labor, direct expense, result will be referred as prime, correct? Come on, plus P F M W O H. Don't write, I will give time, please focus. Okay, result will be referred as factory cost gross plus opening WAP minus closing WAP. Result shall be referred as factory cost net plus AOH. Result will be referred as cost of goods produced plus opening stock of finished good minus closing stock of finished good. Result shall be referred as cost of goods sold plus SOH. Result shall be referred as cost of sales over our total cost plus profit. If you get loss, I will tell in a minus. Correct. Result will be referred as sales. What is the first line? Direct material. What is meaning of direct material? What is the meaning of direct material? So working note 1, calculation of direct material. Listen ma, point number 1, direct material means direct material consumed. Are you remember? Direct material consumed is equal to opening stock of raw material plus purchase of raw material in bracket net plus direct expense in relation to purchase of raw material minus salvage value of normal loss of raw material minus closing stock of raw material. Please check the question paper. Opening stock of raw material is there? Hello? There or not there? How much? So that is equal to 3000. Correct? Plus. Please check purchase is there? Is there? Yes, is there. How much? 1,10,000. Plus direct expense in relation to purchases not given. Carriage inward, freight inward, like that. Transportation cost will there? No. Minus salvage value is not there. Please check closing stock of inventory is there? Yes. How much? 4,000. What is the amount? Please check ma. 1 lakh? 1,13,000 minus 4. 1 lakh? Correct? Correct? Very simple. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1, 110. 109. Hello, good morning. Okay. So what is the direct material? 1,09,000. How you arrive? Working note number 1. You have to indicate how you arrive the answer. Next, direct labor. Please check. Direct labor. How much? Is there any calculation involved? Outstanding, prepaid, like that calculation is there? No. That is the reason without any working note I indicated 65,000. Hello? Direct expense 0. Now tell me. 1,09,000 plus 65,000. 1,70,000 POH. Please check. POH is there? Yes. How much? 30. How 39,000? 60 or 65? 60% of 65,000. How much ma? 39,000. And now tell me. 2,13,000. Please check. Opening stock of WP is there? There? How much? Closing stock of WP? 6,000. 2 lakh. AOH is there? Yes. In last line, other expense. Second line, admin. How much? 13,000. My question, 13,750 they will give us. We are calculated. How you calculated? 2,75,000 into 5%. Clear? Whatever we calculated, we have to disclose. No need to calculate means please insert in the format. Clear? Please add it. 2,07,000. Please check whether opening stock of the finished good is there. Yes. Closing stock of finished good. Yes. Opening stock of finished good how much? What is the closing stock of finished good? Please ma. Listen. Closing stock of finished good how much ma? 8,000 rupees. What is the value units? Hello. Closing stock of finished good is equal to, they mentioned 8,000. For how many units they gave? Not gave. Are you remember important point number 5? Check whether question paper specified units of closing stock of FG. Answer yes or no na? In this question answer yes or no na? That is the reason 8,000 will be considered. Listen. For suppose they gave closing stock of finished good is equal to 700 units. 8,000 rupees. Like in that scenario 8,000 will not be considered. We have to calculate. Are you got the difference? When you have to apply the formula, when you have to not apply the formula, you have to remember. Clear? And now tell me, what is the closing stock of FG? 8,000. 223, 750. What is the SOH cost? 27,500. How you arrive? 2,75,000 into 10%. Correct? Please. 2 lakh to sales information is directly given. 2,75,000. Profit will be referred as balancing figure. What is the balancing figure, my dear? What ma? 23,750. This is a question. Are you got it? Clear? Otherwise I have to repeat. Clear? Please make it note. You should write direct material full name. Just my convenience purpose only DM, DL, DE like that I wrote. While solving your solution in your book, please write full form, direct material, direct labor. Completed? Excellent. Question number 2. Okay. We will solve the question number 2. What is the question number 2? Listen carefully. Z Limited manufactured and sold. Underline the word 200 typewriters. Underline the word year 2017. Now tell me, my dear, in the year 2017, how many typewriters they are manufactured and sold? 200 typewriters. It summarized trading and P&L account for the year 2017. How many units they are producing? 200. Cost of raw material consumed. Please remember, raw material consumed they gave. Raw material consumed means opening stock of raw material plus purchases net plus direct expense in relation to purchase of raw material minus salvage value of normal loss minus closing stock of raw material. All the equation they gave directly 1,20,000. No need to think any other value. Clear? Next direct wages, how much? 1,80,000. Manufacturing wages 75,000 by sales 6 lakh. Total will be 6 lakh. Balancing figure will be referred as gross profit. How much? 2,25,000. Management expense 90,000. General expense 30,000. Rent and rate taxes 15,000. Selling expense 45,000. Gross profit brought down. Balancing figure will be net profit. How much? 45,000. This is the for which year data? 2017 data. Hello. Excellent. Next for the year, underline the word for the year 2018. For the year 2018, what output and sales. Underline the word 300 typewriter. Listen carefully. We are in 2017 as per the question paper. Don't argue. 2025, sir. Last 30 days back only I wish you a happy new year. Don't tell like that. Hello. As per our problem, what is the year? 2017. If you are in 2017, you are thinking for 2018. Is it past period na? Yes, sir. Hello. We are in 2017. We are thinking for 2018. Is it past? How you know past? Are you astrologer? Past or future? It means you are thinking to draft cost sheet for 2017 means cost sheet. If you are thinking to draft cost sheet for 2018 means projected cost sheet. That is the reason I told in the theory. One problem is there. Clear? Now tell me, what is the 2017? Current year. Current year. What is the 2018? Future year or projected year. Correct? Current year, how many units we are manufacturing? In future, how many units we are planning? 300. Listen. They told manufacture 200. Okay. Some of the students arguing in the class in previous batch. Sir, as per problem you told 2017 we are there. 2018 future. Why are you thinking like that, sir? We are in 2018. Previous year 2017. You should think like that, na? See, statement is totally different. If assumption number 1, we are in 2017, next period 2018 means, come on, projected cost sheet or estimated cost sheet. If second assumption, we are in 2018, you are thinking for 2017, but they are asking to prepare 2018 means normal cost sheet. Not understood. In assumption number 1, please listen. In assumption number 1, 2018 projected cost sheet. In assumption number 2 is taken, 2018 cost sheet is normal cost sheet. What is the assumption correct? First assumption or second assumption? If that doubt will be coming in your examination, they told manufacture. Manufacture means work is done. See, 2018, they are estimating, they are not manufacture. Estimating means thinking for past. always for future. It means this is a future period. Then 2017 for current year. Got it, huh? Please respond, ma. Just wait. Okay. So in 2018, what is their estimation? 300 typewriters. Next ma. Listen ma. Price of raw material. What? So underline the word material, underline the word rise, underline the word 25%. Don't underline all the statement. Material rise 25% as compared to previous. Previous year means 2016 na? 17. Always you are giving answer is yes. No. Please listen the statement and answer. And now tell me, what is the material cost? If 2017 material cost is, please listen. If 2017 material cost is 100, what is the material cost for 2018? 100 plus 25%, 125. Correct? Next, waste per unit. Rise, how much? 10%. Manufacturing charges. Underline the word manufacturing charges. Will increase. Increase or decrease? In proportion to the combined cost of material and what is the meaning? Most important point, ma. This is, I will read again the statement. What is the statement given? Manufacturing charges. What are they going to be? Increase or decrease? How much portion? For example, if I ask, what is the raw material cost? 25% increase. What is the labor cost? 10% will increase. What is the manufacturing charges? Increase in proportion to what? Material cost and labor cost. I will explain while solving the problem. Clear? Next, selling expense will change or unchanged? Remain unchanged. Next, other expense will remain unaffected by rise in the output. You are required. What they are asking? Prepare cost sheet. For which year? 2018. Assume profit is equal to 10% on selling price. 10% on what, ma? Selling price. Clear, my dear friends? Is it clear? Clear? Now tell me. They are asking for cost sheet for 2017 or 18? 2018. It means future period cost sheet they are asking. It means it is a estimated cost sheet or projected cost sheet. Now tell me, what is the question number? What is the page number? 2 cancel Q is there. Don't tell like that. 2 is page number. In upper side, question number. Okay. Now tell me, they are asking for, come on, cost sheet for, correct? Cost sheet for 2018. What I told, whenever question paper is going to be solving, please write the pro forma and then you will get how to start. Okay. Now tell me, direct material, direct labor, direct expense. Correct? Correct? Excellent. Next. Just wait, ma. Result will be referred as prime cost. Next, ma. Plus P, F, M, WOH. Result value will be referred as factory cost gross plus opening stock of WAP minus closing stock of WAP. Result will be referred as factory cost net. Next, ma. Plus AOH. Result shall be referred as cost of goods produced plus opening stock of FG minus closing stock of FG. Result shall be referred as cost of plus SOH. Result shall be referred as cost of sales over our total cost plus profit. If you get negative, it indicates loss. Result shall be referred as sales. Hello? Correct? Now tell me, my dear, what is the material for 2018? We don't know. But as compared to last year, it is increased. How much portion increased? What is the last year? We don't know. That is the reason we have to prepare 2017 cost sheet. Without 2017 cost sheet, 2018 can't predict. Correct? So then, working note number 1. Calculation, statement of, come on, cost sheet. For which year? 2017. And now tell me format. DM, DL, DE. Result shall be referred as, come on, prime cost plus P, F, W, M, O, H. Result shall be referred as factory cost gross plus opening stock of work in progress minus closing stock of work in progress. Result shall be referred as factory cost net plus result shall be referred as cost of goods produced plus opening stock of finished good minus closing stock of finished good. Result shall be referred as cost of goods sold plus SOH. Result will be referred as cost of sales over our total cost plus profit minus loss. Result shall be referred as, you are thinking, sir, this statement already wrote na. This statement is for 2018. I am writing for 2017. Hello, good morning. Clear? Listen carefully. This is amount, this is per unit amount. Correct? In 2017, how many units are output or produced? 200 units. Correct? Now, please check the question paper. What is the material consumption? Directly given na? Hello? Correct or wrong? Correct. How much ma? 1 lakh? 1 lakh? 20,000. Ma listen, 1,20,000 for 1 unit, 2 units or 10 units or 200 units? Please take the calculator. 1,20,000 rupees divided by 200. What is the per unit? 600. Correct? Correct? Please check the question paper. Labor. 1,80,000 is given. Please take the calculator. 1,80,000 divided by 200. 9. Direct expense is not given. Please take the calculator. 2 lakh. Sorry. How much ma? 3 lakhs. Here 1,500. Correct or wrong ma? Yes. Please check. POH is there. What is the POH alternate name? FOH. FOH alternate name? WH. WH alternate name? MOH. Is there? How much? 75,000. Please take the calculator. 75,000 for 200 units. Per unit cost 370. So 1875. Hello? Here 3,75,000. Please check. Opening WP is there? Not given. Closing WP is there? Not given. Then result will be same. Gross to net result same. Why? Opening WP, closing WP 0. AOH. Please check it. Management expense. What ma? AOH. General expense? AOH. Rent and taxes? AOH. Selling expense? Don't tell AOH. SOH. It means how many AOH are there? 3. Please take the calculator. 90,000 plus 30,000 plus 15,000. 1,35,000 divided by 200. 670. Please take the calculator. 5 lakh 10 1875 plus 675 2005. Opening stock of finished good is there? Please check. No, not there. You are thinking where to check? Hello, good morning. This is trading account to opening stock. There? Not there. By closing stock is there? Hello. They mentioned trading account, man. In trading account, debit side only opening stock will be recorded. For your generation, opening stock will be recorded in credit side. Clear? Now tell me. Closing stock of finished good, opening stock of finished good 0. Then 5 lakh 10,000 2550. SOH. Please check. Is there 40 divided by 200 units. What is the per unit? 2. Please check total cost. 5 lakh 50. What is here? 7. Sales is given. 2017 sales is given or not given? So sales is equal to how much? 6 lakh. 6 lakh divided by 200. 6 lakh divided by 200 units. 3,000. Now check profit or loss. How much? 45,000. How you know? This is balancing figure. Correct? Next, 3,000 minus 2,775. Balancing figure. This is the cost sheet for which year? 2007. Is there asking 2017 cost sheet or 2018 cost sheet? So then we will move for 2018 cost sheet. Now time to focus on working note number 2. In 2018 cost sheet, what is the material cost? Calculation of, listen ma, calculation of what cost? Material cost. Listen, direct material means direct material consumed is equal to opening stock of raw material plus purchases in bracket net plus, come on, direct expense plus, minus always value of normal loss minus closing stock of raw material. Correct? In 2017, what is the DMC? DMC for 2017, 1 lakh. That is total. What is the per unit? We calculated how much? Listen, 600 rupees. What is the increasing? Plus increased. No, please take the calculator. 600 into 25%. It means 750. What is this 750? DMC per unit in bracket 2018. Wrong or correct? Therefore, DMC in bracket 2018 is equal to 750 rupees per unit. How many units you are going to manufacture in 2018? 200. That is 300 units. 2 lakh. This is material cost. We will mention here. Working note number 1. How much? 2 lakh. 25,000. Tell me. What? Correct. See, student is asking, sir, in 2017 cost sheet, 1,20,000 is given. 1,20,000 plus whatever increased portion we will consider. I am not getting this answer. Why are you going for that level? Long procedure is there. Like that student asking. Please remember, my dear friend, 2017 output is 200 units. 2018 output is not 200, 300. Obviously, cost will change. That is the reason output is equal to 300. For suppose 2017 200 units, 2018 also 200 units means you are telling procedure correct. 1,20,000 plus 25% extra result will be coming. Clear? Difference you got? Excellent. What is the next line? Direct labor. Working note number, sorry ma, not working note 1 here. Working note number 2. Working note number 3. Working note number 3. Calculation of what ma? Hello. Labor. Labor cost per unit in bracket 2017. How much? 900? Yes. 900. What is the increasing portion? Increasing or decreasing? How much? It means 90. 990. What is a 990? Labor cost per unit 2018. Therefore, labor in bracket 2018 is equal to 990 rupees per unit into 300 units. 2,97,000. 2,97,000. How much more we got? 990. Here 750. Direct expense is not given. Please check. 5,22,000 total. 990 plus 750. Please make it 1,740. Correct? Working note number 4. What is a working note 4, my dear? Calculation of, come on, POH. Please read the question paper. POH will be increased in proportion to the material and wages. Correct? Listen ma. In 2017, what is the POH? In 2017, what is the POH? 375. When material and labor is 1,500. See, material and labor, whenever my material and labor 1,500, my POH will be, in 2018, my material and labor 1,740, proportionately increased. Correct? It means, now tell me, my material and labor 1,500, what is the POH? 1,740 na? In 2017, material and labor per unit, how much? Please calculate. 1,740 divided by 1,500 into 375. 430 into how many units? How much? 1,30,000. 130,500. 130,500. What is the cost per unit? 435. Please calculate. 6,52,500. Please calculate per unit. 2,170. Opening WAP is not given in the question paper. It means same result will be repeated. Correct? Correct? Correct or wrong? Correct. Next ma. AOH. What is the AOH given? No other cost is changed. Same. What is the AOH in 2017? 1,30,000. What is the AOH for 2018? Not 1,35,000. Why? 1,35,000 for 200 units. Now we are going to produce 300 na? Slightly increase. That is the reason we will go for working note. Working note number. Please respond. Working note number 5. Calculation of AOH, how much ma? 1,35,000 divided by 200. It means 675 rupees per unit. Into how many units are going to be produced? 300 units. How much ma? 2 lakh 2,000. So we will write here. How much ma? 202 500. Working note number 5. What is the per unit cost? 675. Correct? Correct? Please calculate. Emma? 8 lakh 60. 55. 8 lakh 55,000. Please. 2,000. Opening stock of FG is given. Closing stock. Cost of goods sold, same result. Hello. SOH. What is the SOH in 2017? 225. Correct? 225 into 300 units. 225 into 300 units. 60? How much? 9 lakh 22,000. What is the per unit cost? 3,000. 30. What is the sales? Don't tell 6 lakh. 6 lakh is last year. But listen. But question paper told that in last they gave profit is equal to, listen, profit is equal to on, but we have cost, we have to convert. You know conversion principles or doesn't know? If you know means I will directly close the problem. If you don't know means I will teach. What is the conversion formulas? You know or you don't know? You don't know. See, example number 1. Okay, sales 7 lakh. Profit is equal to 7% on sales. Calculate profit. Listen ma. What is the information you have? Sales. What is the percentage on profit? Percentage on matched or not matched? Matched or not matched? Then solution is equal to profit is equal to 7 lakh into 7%, that is equal to something amount. Amount doesn't matter, calculator is there. It means this percentage should not change. Why? Information sales, percentage on sales, no need to change, na? Hello. Next. Example number 2. Cost is equal to 4 lakh. Profit is equal to 4% on cost. Calculate profit they are asked. Now tell me, what is the information is given? Cost. What is the percentage? Percentage is on. Matched or not matched? Cost, percentage on cost only. Matched or not matched? Solution will be profit is equal to 4 lakh into 4%. Something amount. Amount doesn't matter. Procedure is most important. How you calculated. Hello. Next ma. Example number 3. 2. 2 is over, my dear friend. Okay, example number 3. Listen. Sales 10 lakh. Profit is equal to 3% on cost. Calculate profit. What is the information you have? Sales. What is the percentage? Cost. Match na? Hello? Matched? Not matched. Then you have two options. Please convert this data into cost. You can apply. Otherwise, please convert this percentage into sales. Please apply. Correct? How to convert? How to convert? Listen carefully. Percentage divided by 100 plus percentage into 100. Don't create your overthinking. Percentage cancel, 100 cancel, divide by plus is there. Hello, good morning. Don't cancel in that manner. Then please convert 3 divide by 100 plus 3 into 100. 2.912 percentage on what ma? Sales. What is the information you have? Sales. What is the percentage? Match na? Then apply. Your task is completed. Hello? What is the solution? We don't know. We can write. Hello? Profit is equal to 10 lakh into 2.912 percentage. Something amount. But don't consider 3%. This situation required conversion principle. Conversion principle is this. Clear? One more example. Last example we will consider. Example number. Cost 7 lakh. Profit is equal to 12% on sales. Calculate profit. They are asking. What is the information? What is the percentage on? Matched? Not matched. Then we have to convert this principle. Come on. How to convert? Percentage divided by 100 minus percentage into 100. How to calculate? 12 divided by 100 minus 12 into 100. Please calculate. 13.636%. Then, come on. Profit is equal to how much? 7 lakh into 13.636%. Something amount. This formula you have to remember. This formula you have to remember. Hello? Along with formula, you have to remember situation when it should be applied. For this situation, if you apply this formula, June attempt became December, December attempt will become June. Hello, good morning. Correct? Correct? Now tell me, what is you have? What data you have? Cost data you have. But percentage on what? Sales. Example 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 4. See, in example number 4, cost is there, percentage on sales is there. What is our conversion principle? Percentage divided by 100 minus percentage. Please take the calculator. What is the percentage? 10 divided by 100 minus 10 into 100. Whatever answer. How much? 11.111%. Correct? Please take the calculator. 9,22,500 into 11.1111. Please enter up to whatever calculator you have. How much? Percentage symbol, please click on it. 9,22,500 into 11.11111. Percentage symbol. 102499 is nothing but 500 approximately. Please take the calculator. 102,500 divided by 300. 340, 1 point something, 342. Correct? What is the sales? $10 lakhs. 25. What is the value? 3417. Correct? What they are asking? Prepare cost sheet for 2018. We are also prepare a cost sheet for 2018. Clear? Please make it note. Completed? Completed? Please respond, ma. Completed? Still writing? No, no. So, till now we discuss few problems relating to cost sheet. And remaining problems we'll discuss in next class. Until then, thank you so much.